I'm going to explain what Ultra Feather is in just a little bit. But I got to tell you, Northern Nights, and leave it to Northern Nights to innovate better than ever before with handles, with a gusset on this thing, and with, in this case, a sale price that goes away at the end of the day. This isn't a clearance item. You've never seen this before, and it's kind of a one-day sale. H209716 is the item number. If you wanted the ultimate pillow for your body, your entire body, and didn't want it to fly around, right, on the bed, wanted to stay exactly where it should, Lindy Davis and I are going to convince you this could be the best night's sleep you've ever had. Great to have you here.
Thank you.
We have that down blanket coming up.
Yes, we do.
We have today's special value coming up.
Yes.
You put all of those together, the 1, 2, 3, it is 5-star luxury.
It's a 10-night sleep.
It's a 10-night sleep. And this is Ultra Feather. So you've seen feather beds before. What are some of the challenges of Grandma's feather bed?
Oh my gosh. Well, first of all, I've never had a feather bed because it's pokey. It makes noise. There's quills on the feathers.
Quills?
Quills.
I love the feathers, the quills.
It
not
makes
so much.
a crunchy noise.
What is Ultra Feather?
Ultra Feather is a feather bed that they have here that you can only get at Northern Nights right now at QVC, and it is quillless feathers.
No quills.
No quills. What does that mean?
Quill-free.
Quill-free. It's a process that they do. I want you to see.
This is really new, everybody.
This is new.
In the past, we've had small quills.
Yes.
Really small, tiny quills, right?
Yes.
But never quill-free.
Quill-free.
So you are getting
I just want to show you this.
ultra clean,
Yes.
ultra fine,
Yes.
extraordinarily soft
Look at that.
feathers,
It's
and
feathers.
more feathers.
It's feathers and feathers
It
more.
makes me want to dive into this
It
thing.
makes it comfortable.
Look at this.
Mold around your body. The 2-inch gusset, it is just delicious.
Keep going, because we've got it
Okay.
at a sale price that goes away at the end of the day.
Let me tell you what makes this so special. First of all, we're going to talk about it's got the skirt around it that you can tuck in all the way around. What does that do? It doesn't slip and slide when you're in bed. That is so huge and so wonderful. Then we're going to look at the boxes here. These are sewn down boxes so that Ultra Feather stays in place. When you wake up in the morning, it's not at the end of the bed. It's right where it was when you started out.
Better idea. This is like the reinvention. You know, for us to compare this, comparable retail value, $255. If you could find it.
Look at
well,
this.
guess what? You're not going to be able to find it.
Just how
It's
about
Northern Nights
is that
quill-free.
crazy?
I want this thing.
I'm telling you.
Can we lie on this? Is somebody going to lie on this? Stacy's going to lie on this?
Come on, Stacy. Come on.
Stacy, a lovely supermodel. Normally, Stacy, you know, she's like
Tell me what
tall,
you think.
lean, jewelry supermodel.
Now, how does that just feel against
Lie
your
on.
body?
Oh my God.
Is
Yeah.
that incredible? And one other thing, can I talk about Super Clean? You know what Super Clean is?
Tell me.
It gets washed at least 15 times to get the dander out. Guess what that does then? It makes it hypoallergenic.
This
So
just
if
in.
you have just in
Breaking news,
newsflash, breaking
right?
news. If you're someone that has been worried about trying feathers, this is the one you're going to want to try. So for all of you that did not have a feather bed like me because you felt that you didn't like the quills, the pokiness, the crunchiness, the noise, is this amazing?
I've been looking for this. Thank you, Linda Davies.
I'm telling you, I'm glad I made somebody
just
happy.
bought mine.
Is it beautiful?
It's amazing.
H209716. Is it going to move during the night? If you
No.
roll around a little bit? No, it won't.
Because-
Better idea.
Right. And look, she's showing you the 2-inch gusset right there. You're seeing the beautiful piping. Now she just showed you the handle. So we're gonna, if you don't mind,
Okay.
let's just undo around here.
I undo.
Okay.
You undo.
Just loosen it, and then
Okay.
I have never seen this. You've got the little handle there where you can just shake it. If you can use
like you would a pillow.
Yes. So you're gonna, you know when you're
I
gonna do
love this item. Let
When
me tell
you change
there-
the sheets
there's
weekly.
a theme here. There's a theme here. Everybody who's watching the show. It's your
Luxury.
Better Night's Sleep featuring Northern Nights. But the dealio in this and the theme of this show, well, that's a deep pocket mattress.
It is.
That's a deep
And
mattress.
it'll fit any mattress size that you have up to 21 inches.
The theme here is authentic one of one.
Right.
And that has to do with this down blanket coming up. It's so great. We're getting this today. And the amount of down, the thread count. It has to do with real, honest-to-goodness Egyptian cotton, 100% Egyptian cotton in our today's special value. There's a lot of retailers, they're not doing Egyptian cotton, but they're calling it Egyptian cotton. It's a big legal deal. Believe me, take my word for it. Trust QVC. And when it comes to this, our buyers, this is guy Greg and company, his team, these guys are out of their minds. They're like, we're going to reinvent the entire category. I mean this in a good way. To bring you Like there's no quills in this thing at all.
None.
We couldn't find another
It's
one comparable.
quill-free.
It's quill-free. And then you have the big gusset. It's packed with feathers. It's ultra soft.
And it's
then it
got
wraps
the
around.
super clean. So therefore, if you haven't been able to be on a feather bed because of allergies, it's hyperallergenic now.
Hypoallergenic.
Yes.
Which, again, is another, like, you have to earn these things. You have to trust that it's going to be 100% Egyptian cotton, that it's going to be
Right.
hypoallergenic. So this is QVC, and why we've been doing this for 30 years. It's a September surprise. It's brand new. So it's not a clearance, it's brand new. Price goes away at the end of the day. Is that right? That is
Yes, it
correct.
is. Yes,
So
it is.
It's here now for this easy payment plan in twin, full, queen, king, and California king. Do you have a twin-size bed that the kids are on, and you don't want to buy them a brand new $800 bed?
Right.
Get this thing.
Refresh it. If you have your own bed at home, you can't decide whether to buy a new mattress.
And it's too.
Put this on.
You made a mistake.
Right.
It's too firm.
Exactly.
Should we buy another $2,000 bed?
Exactly.
Try this.
Put this on. And if you've been to that hotel and you came home, you said, I want to duplicate
Right.
that night in the hotel, get this.
Anniversary gift.
Anniversary
to
gift.
yourselves, right?
Right,
Instead of staying in the
exactly.
5-star hotel, bring the 5-star hotel and that bed home to you. We're going to do it. There's a trifecta happening. The today's special value, the down blanket, and this September surprise, sale price, H209716.
Stain release. We've got Scotch Guard on this. And we
Tease.
thought of everything. And not only that, can we just look at that beautiful Dobby stripe right here? This looks beautiful without anything on top of it.
Shame on us for not explaining this thoroughly enough, but there's so much to talk about. So stain release, Dobby stripe, we brought in 1,300.
Right.
Here's the update. 300 remaining total. If you want the King, there's 12 remaining.
Wow.
If you'd like the Queen or the King, literally about 100 remaining, and that's it. That's it. This is brand new September surprise.
Wow.
Sale price goes away end of the day. So this is a bit of a today's kind of special kind of offer in and of itself.
Look how beautiful that is. So you're able to see how you're going to put the skirt on there. You just tuck that in so it's not going to move around on you.
I'm like easily excited, but like this is a show to get truly like kind of jazzed up,
Of
jacked
course.
up about, because there's a lot happening here within this show that's new and fresh and exciting. Now here's what we got to let you know. This thing has been rocking the world today, rocking the queue. This is the Northern Nights 650 fill power 400 thread count down blanket. It is Supima cotton.